Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme 14T keeps vibrating. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and here you can turn off your notification alert sound. After turn off your notification alert sound, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.